Mastering slang. The meaning of need some shut-eye. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, need some shut-eye. This expression is a casual and colorful way to talk about something we all love and need, sleep. So, if you've ever wondered about the nuances of English slang and idiomatic expressions, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When someone says they need some shut-eye, they're simply saying they need to sleep. The phrase, shut-eye, refers to the act of closing your eyes, which is what we do when we sleep. It's a more informal and playful way to express the need for rest, especially when you're tired and looking forward to getting some sleep. This expression is commonly used in casual conversations, often among friends or in informal settings. It's not typically used in formal contexts, so it's good to know when and with whom to use it. The phrase, need some shut-eye, comes from the idea of closing your eyes to sleep. It's a bit of a slang term, and like many slang expressions, its exact origins are a bit murky. However, it's been a part of English colloquial speech for many years. Understanding such expressions can give you insight into the culture and history of English-speaking countries, as well as make your conversation sound more natural and relaxed. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After a long day of work, I really need some shut-eye before we go out tonight. You look exhausted. You should get some shut-eye. I can't wait to get home and get some shut-eye. It's been such a hectic week. Notice how the phrase is used to express a personal need for sleep in a light-hearted way. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, need some shut-eye. It's a fun and informal way to talk about sleeping, and adding it to your vocabulary can help you sound more like a native speaker in casual conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions and slang can greatly enrich your understanding of the English language and culture. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this explainer helpful and that you're now a bit more comfortable with using need some shut-eye in your own conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. Sweet dreams, and until next time, keep practicing.